We need to talk about something most people don't think about until it's too late: electrical fires in consumer units. And with the rise of EV charging at home, this has become a bigger issue than ever. Consumer units or fuse boards are in almost every home and every business within the UK. Now, while they're designed to keep us safe, they can obviously still fail. In some extreme cases, that can lead to fire and, unfortunately, death. Especially if a board is overloaded, faulty, or if there's loose connections. Now imagine that risk with EVs being charged overnight, cables under constant load, and homes that haven't yet been upgraded to current regulations. That's where new tech like this comes in. This is the EnviroBurst, a fire suppression capsule designed to burst when it detects heat and instantly extinguish a fire at its source. It's pretty simple, it's smart, and it could be a literal lifesaver. The government has just announced £63 million in funding to improve the UK's EV charging infrastructure. But there's still a gap in safety, especially for people without driveways, relying on street charging or connected to older wiring systems. When cars are parked on the street and connected to a home, but earthed differently, the risk of electrical fault increases. And this can have serious consequences. We're calling for smarter and safer installations and encouraging the industry to consider fire suppression as a standard in consumer units for EV owners. Need help upgrading your install or adding additional safety technology? Call us at plug-in stations on 0203 795 7117. Alternatively, you can email us at enquiries@plugin-stations.com.